story you are about to hear is true. Only the names have been changed. Only the names have been changed.
That's just peculiar, ain't it? Oh, and first...
Yeah, I got a Black Frontier just past me southbound on Kirkendall.
And that's just wrong. And of course...
Kilo and tag is Charles Boyd, 5605.
When they say, look, everybody uses...
From your location?
That's right.
We just turned westbound on 29 when I have initiated traffic yet.
Katy Freeway inbound before Washington.
Well, I'm not sure if this is going to work or
about
not.
5 minutes or so. I'm just...
These areas, home, all commercial, repair,
Look at the all, I think it's going to work.
license, background check, NPL 38548. Call
1642-8440.
907.
And you can release channel if you're on the phone.
Even in my own home, I have my own designated...
Clear channels released for P11 1050.
It's like I was punishing myself. A friend of mine...
You know, he can just log out. I don't think the vehicle's going to work.